Yeah, me just I get some things at home and come by later. I can leave now, yeah?
Alright, Marissa. Thanks again for that for me, yeah?
You're welcome. Take care of yourself, yeah?
Yeah, man, you too. Oh, you big up your bird for me too, yeah?
Yeah, go on, Marissa.
There it is. You good?
Great. Glad to see you there back around the G. My respect.
I'm not there, you know. I just come look for him. I go back to country.
So yeah, I say, a country you live now?
Yeah, my country send me.
Jaja. Hold on. So what really are going?
Ask a friend, he will tell you.
Alright, Marissa. Pick up yourself. Find out what going from butcher, you know. It's not look good. Butcher!
Yeah.
How are you going?
You see Marissa out there, so.
Now tell me, say, a country she live now with attitude. I wonder how go on.
Yeah, they good.
There, man.
Boy, Marissa come give me a shock of my life.
You go.
That's one of them days, that's still, you see it. She don't have man in her country, it is.
Man in our country.
That me I tell her.
So you know that.
And just call her a while ago. Me and her they have a deep conversation on her phone. You see it and where she left on. You bird.
You? You who? I want Asian days, man. Eh?
Farmer.
I must joke, Yagi. So hold on.
She say him have a farm.
You look at time where you send her go country. I send her go country for go find man.
Bro, she said she couldn't wait no longer. You see it. Bag of thing, she move on. But it is just that thing about fear and safety, brother. Look at thing will jump off and see it, but she have pretty the wrong thing, bro. But so I go still.
Nah, man. Mad butcher. Nah, if you go country, go turn you birth in a you dirt. What
It
you
is.
say?
For one time, you know, different part me dep on right now, bro. You see me?
So you just gonna make she leave, so brother. And a she did there for you through thick and thin. Plus me know how much I check for her in the youth.
Any idea she have feelings, you see it? And I have to respect what she have deal
You birth. So she don't know where you were. How was you deal with still, you know? So what I go on with you?
But there it is, I get stronger by the day, you see it?
So when you jump back in the studio,
So forward back on the side, man. But right now it is, I have a different investment I go on, you know. Now you get the time to tell about it, you see it?
how about that?
You know, it's a restaurant though. Plus, me have a girl out there going to run it right now, you see it?
Well, you can't go wrong. Plus food is the staff of life, you. Not to mention you have the little farm around the sun. You know, see, I gotta put everything together the right way. Like a puzzle in my fix, you know. You don't have to buy a color loaf to make a breakfast and then like that, brother.
I'm glad I said that. Right now, I gotta put everything together, you see it? I'm not question nothing right now.
Yeah, man, same, sir. But you like going like a slick. So we girl really put the restaurant.
Ah, man, it is a business me run, man, you see it? I mix no business with them pleasure right now, bro. She just go and balance up everything, you see it?
So here we are going. Back to serious business again. You see me, me here say I want like a white car pull up on you, you know. If you get the license plate by a little more, if you know how I go on fully.
Yo, Hittis. I want to love this alone, you know, brother. You see me? Don't tell us I'm not on a retaliation, right? You see, still have life. Grateful for that. Can move on from that, man.
Yo, as I say, you know, but watch your style. Yeah. The man who do the damage still out there. We can't take that for granted, brother.
Yo, Hittis. I make the feds deal with that, brother. I just want to go and stay safe, bro. I'll go and focus on some business.
So this son, here we go on. We get the license plate a little more, and then we link whisper, and them can take it from this.
That is it, bro. Every time we get way on dirty, and so on.
No, say I'm my brother, you know. I'm not got nothing for my mind, I'm not tell you, you see. You link them where you that for and the machine where you get, how that did that.
It is. You see back in them time, bro. Just know say them move there. And now do it again. You see me?
Brother, me I hear you, but here I want you do again. I want you drop a ranking. I mean, I tell you, you're under deep agreements.
I do the right thing. I do it, man.
Well, all is said and done. Greatest thing, bro. Today I get on back in here. You see it?
Right, man.
Enough respect, man. But I pass through for link you up and check in for you see me. You see me? Don't know me, I go circle back when I time them come give us support over a restaurant and thing. Not have to worry yourself.
Yeah,
Just
so,
take
man.
time meal, you see?
Yeah, man.
And school I go on good enough. Don't know sponsor sports here over there.
Yeah.
Graduation go on good.
Yeah.
See?
You know, we have to continue.
Time I do your thing, you see?
That's it.
That is it.
Mm-hmm.
Just go and do your thing here, bro.
Yeah, bro.
More strength. Active.
Yo, Hittis. You see that Uber thing there? That's between me, you see it?
I want to you, brother. Seal, man. I want to you. You're a big man, you know.
Yeah, man. That's the one.
Can't take your style, you know.